In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Facebook ads leads. Navigating the world of Facebook ads can seem daunting, especially when you're trying to track down the leads your ads generate. However, with the right guidance, accessing this information can be straightforward and quick. Let's dive into the process step by step. To begin, you'll need to head over to the Facebook Business Manager. This platform is where all your advertisement activities on Facebook are centralized. It provides a comprehensive overview of your ads, pages, and the people working on them. If you haven't already set up your Facebook Business Manager account, now would be the time to do so to take full advantage of its features. Once you're at the Facebook Business Manager homepage, you'll be prompted to log in. Use your Facebook credentials to do this. It's important to remember that your business manager might be linked to your personal Facebook account, since that's how Facebook structures its user access. After logging in, you'll be asked to choose the account you want to work with. If you manage multiple business pages or ad accounts, make sure you select the right one before proceeding. This step ensures that you're viewing or managing ads for the correct business entity. With the right account selected, it's now time to dive deeper into the tools that Facebook provides. Look for the All Tools option to access a deeper level of functionality within the Business Manager. This is essentially your gateway to a host of features that allow for detailed management of your ads, among other things. In the All Tools section, you'll want to navigate to the Engage Audience option. This area is specifically tailored for interactions with your audience, including those who may have shown interest in your ads by submitting their information. Clicking on Engage Audience will reveal several options, but the one you're interested in is the Lead Center. The Lead Center is where Facebook consolidates all the leads captured through your ads. Essentially, it's a treasure trove of potential customers or interested parties who have engaged with your content. Upon selecting the Lead Center, you might be prompted to continue or confirm your action. Go ahead and click on Continue to access the list of leads that have been generated. At this point, you should be looking at a list of individuals who have interacted with your ads in a way that indicates interest. This could be anything from filling out a form to signing up for more information. Each lead will have associated details that you can use to follow up or analyze the effectiveness of your ad campaigns. And that's essentially it. You've successfully navigated to the Lead Center within Facebook Business Manager, where you can view and manage the leads generated by your Facebook ads. This is crucial for understanding how well your ads are performing in terms of generating interest and potential conversions. You can also download these leads for further analysis or to integrate them into your CRM or email marketing tools. Before we wrap up, a couple of tips to enhance your experience. Make sure to regularly check your lead center, as new leads can come in at any time. Also, consider setting up notifications or integrating with your CRM so you don't miss out on timely follow-ups with potential customers. Remember, the key to a successful ad campaign is not just the number of leads, but how well you engage with and convert them. The Lead Center in Facebook Business Manager offers a streamlined way to start that process directly from within the platform. Thank you for joining me in this guide on how to see Facebook ads leads. Managing your digital marketing efforts effectively is crucial in today's competitive landscape, and I hope this video has equipped you with the knowledge to make the most of your Facebook ad campaigns.